Hello and welcome back. We're starting today with a quick rewind showing some footage from a couple of days ago when we planted the hibiscus trees. And thank you so much for all your comments and stories about deer absolutely loving these plants. Protection is definitely happening.
Okay, so how many we got? We got 5. He said
Move
them over what? Have a meter between the two?
Yes.
Okay. You know I
5
want
or
a
6.
You know I want a straight line.
Yes.
So I got this.
Oh,
And some string. And some string.
Good. Your level?
No, don't be silly. I've got a laser for that. Where do you want them?
I will move this because I think it's going to be in the middle, yeah? It gives a nice light when the sun is out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think in this line.
That line? There?
Yes.
Where do you want to start?
Oh, Molly, you look so beautiful there. She was with the flowers.
You want to start there?
Yes. Lovely day, huh?
Ah, at least it's good for the flowers. Have we got compost left?
Yeah.
Brilliant. There we go. Okay.
Yeah?
Ooh.
Ow!
Okay. Well, this fine around here, darling. Up to there. Up to here. You can let go now.
Okay.
Yeah, you can let go.
Oh, my baby.
Actually, just 1 minute, darling. Do you want to see? Are you happy with that line? Parallel and all of that jazz? Yeah? Let's go and get some compost. Two down, 4 to go. Although there's 3 here, but we've still got Ombeline's 1 to go. Just a quick question. I think, no, to the camera. I really enjoy wearing this. It's the POV style. I don't know about you guys, but do you mind letting us know if you enjoy this point of view, this different point of view that we're doing? It's just solid.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is that? Maybe we found a treasure.
No, just
Stones.
loads of loose stones making a big...
Well, that's a big one, though.
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Let's open this. Do we want to only put the compost around it?
I think it needs some around it as well, no?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I did have a nice bed.
Nice. And then, yeah, the rest of the topsoil. At least it's got like loads of nutrients, no?
Yeah.
What? What's wrong? What's wrong?
It was a worm.
Oh my goodness.
They are like snakes for me, okay?
Hey,
they
you know
move
I'm...
just like a snake.
Darling, I am petrified of snakes as well. But worms,
Yes.
you never play with them when you're a kid?
No, never.
No?
And my brother was always scaring me with them.
Where was he? Oh, there he is.
He's alive?
Yeah.
Good.
Well, I don't know.
I don't want to hurt him.
No, I don't
just
want to
to.
so crazy, the placement of all the stones.
Yeah.
I'm going basically full depth with this here without even touching it.
Oh, look at that. That's a massive one.
Yeah, but there, that's clear, and that one was just rammed. Are you finishing digging that one?
Yeah.
Oh, nice one, darling.
Thank
We'll start
you.
making a coffee.
Yeah. Okay, this is the last tree of the day.
I forgot to press record.
It seems like Amory is not going to be the cameraman anymore.
Because actually, Nati was so happy that she dug this hole on her own, no interference by me.
But
and I was
as usual, there's no footage of it. All right, well, look, we did all the
Mate, come on.
trees.
No, stop.
What?
You go in, explain why we put it right next to the mess.
Yes, remember you have to forget that this mess is here. This is going to not be there later. But normally we put it here, the little fruit tree, to be in line with the nashie tree in the back. So yeah.
And then
That's
this will
going
all
to be
be
there.
gone, so they'll make sense.
And it will be looking pretty around it.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it's far away from the septic tank,
The drains, the pipes. Yeah,
and the buildings.
yeah. We had to bear that in mind, the positioning of where it was going to go.
because
I'm sorry.
Lovely.
I'm so sorry.
So yeah, that was a little bit of footage we forgot to put a couple of episodes ago, but yes, everything has been planted. It's not the prettiest of the days. I hope you don't hear the wind. Oh. Come on, baby. Come on, let's go. Oh yes, a little bit of sun, please. And now, after a short walk with Molly, we are starting the very first step of restoring the dresser. You saw I have the gloves on, that's good. I have a bag to take everything from here, but very more important, I have as well a mask. So I will put this on now. And this one, God knows how many animals have been living here. Okay, let's put this on the side. Oh, by the way, yes, this part, the upper part, it's totally detached from the bottom part. Don't know if it's good or no. I think it's good. So we can put this up and a nice, lovely new piece of wood there to work, a work surface. But yeah, well, just to start, let's see if I can take that out. I need tools. Okay, now you can go back if you want. That's good. Alrighty, what's next? And last but not least of this, unfortunately we have some down here too. There we are. Fantastic. One door, two more. Look, I will show you, because these ones are complicated. They're very painted over, but I will do my best to try to take them out. Wow, it has been painted twice minimum. I can see 2 layers of paint. We can definitely take these two away. Those stickers are good. Just try to get rid of the knobs. I will clean them properly, and then we will decide if it goes with our style or not. So we will keep it. Yeah. I will take the rest, and then I will clean this, and I will not show you that part. So you can eat your breakfast or your dinner in peace. Yes, so we will come back to this once that is clean and nice. This is how much beauty costs. I will try my best to save this, and we will get back to the dresser soon. Thank you so much for watching. On the next vlog, we have a lot of work and Joseph's help. Have a great start of the week, and see you on Wednesday.